welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making an origami stunt plane that I designed and created today. All you need for this is a pair of scissors and a piece of 8.5 by 11 printer paper. Now let's get into this. Okay, so first, to make this plane, we're going to take one of the edges. We want paper this way. We want to take one of the side edges. Well, first, I like to turn the paper, and then you want to fold it to the opposite edge. I like to turn the paper, but you don't have to. And just so you know, this is what we're making. You just want to crease that and unfold it. Then we're going to take the top left corner and we're going to fold it so that it aligns with this edge, with the right edge. Like that. Crease it. We want to make sure there's a good corner here. Before we crease it, we want to crease it. And do the same on the other side. So take this corner, the top right corner this time, and fold it down to the left edge, making sure there's a good corner, and then crease and unfold. Then you want to take the top of the paper and fold it down so that you only get about 1/2 of the X. You want to make it as exact as you can. See, so the lines go like this, and the center of the X is right here, right on that fold in the middle. You just want to crease that and unfold. You will lay like that, that's okay. Then you want to flip it over, just like that, like this. Then you want to put your finger right here in the center and push down. And as you can see, these kind of pop up a little bit. That's good. You want to put your hands under and fold it towards you. And crease those. And then once you have that, you want to push this down. Remember, if any of these steps are tricky for you, you can always pause the video. You just want to make sure these are good creases. These are good creases and they look good and everything. This one's a little bit off, but that's okay. Then if you know what a squash fold is, if you do a squash fold with this half of the paper. So you want to take this top flap of the paper, fold it up, and squash fold. If you don't know what a squash fold is, you should probably watch me do it first. So you want to take this and fold it up. Then you want to stick your hand in here and right to the end of the spine, and you want to flatten it. It's straight. Like that. That's what a squash fold is. So pretty much so this was like this. You pretty much squish it down. You squash it like that. And then that's the fold. Then see, we have a center crease right here. You want to take half of it. You want to take the half that's on the left and fold it over. Then we want to do the same for the right side. I'm going to do the squash fold. So pull it up, reach under, and squash, just like that. that, and then fold this top layer over. Like that. So that it looks like this. Sorry if I go too fast. You can remember, you can always pause it. Then you want to open up this flap here and put this thing that sticks up in there. And you should have 2 of these next to each other. So in that one, I just tucked in. And make sure it's flat. Okay, and then you want to crease that. Then you want to do the same for the other side. So you just want to tuck it in into this little pocket here. And then you want to crease it. You want to try to make sure that it's all the way in, like that. Okay, the next fold, you want to take the top corner, and we want to bring it down to the bottom of this section, right here. We want to crease it as much as we can. And we just have to push down, and we're almost done. Next thing that you want to do is fold this in half, and turn it 90 degrees, so that the wings face away from you. This part faces away from you. And you want to fold in the wings. So imagine a line going from about halfway down, maybe a little bit more, and then slightly diagonal upwards. Just very slight. You want to fold on that imaginary line. Or you could draw the line. It just makes it easier to see where you should fold it. And then flip it over and do the same on this side. Making sure that the wings match. Like this. Okay. Now with the wings facing towards you, you want to fold this up. So just fold the flap of the wing right here up about a 1/4 inch. Then you want to flip it over, and you want to fold right there so that they line up. Then you want to open the wings, and here's the last step. You want to take your pair of scissors, and you want to cut elevators like this. You just want to cut little slits that you can fold up like this. Like that. And here's your plane. And that's all for making the plane. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And comment if there's anything specific you would like me to make. I have another channel called Roblox with Keaton. Please check that out. And I hope you enjoyed today's video.